What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I am filming an unboxing. This is the Seoul Beauty for the month of April. Let's just get right into it. Stellar Rose Scent Balm. They rarely have fragrance products in these boxes. Really interesting packaging though. It's a clear gel. It is a very sweet, powdery type rose smell. I do like rose, but less powdery rose and more like deep sweet rose. That does smell really good. I feel like that'd be nice layered with other things. It smells like really fresh and clean type rose. This is the Well Derma Retinol Peptide. I do love retinol, and the treatment that I had was expired, so I actually just got rid of it. Beautiful ombre brown bottle. Then is a moisture balancing mask. They always include a little mask in these, and honestly the face masks from them, like the sheet masks, are really good. Next is the Soul Calming Cell Toner. Ooh, it's like a milky toner. Lovely, can't wait to try that. And lastly, in my April Seoul Beauty Box is the Well Derma Retinol Peptide Cream. So I got 2 retinol products. Seems a little overkill, but I don't know, maybe not. Beautiful gold brown ombre component. She's thick, she has no scent. Wonderful. You guys, I went back and forth on the Seoul Beauty whether to cancel it or not. Honestly, I didn't like it at first, and then I tried the products and I do really like it. It's just so much skincare, it's impossible to use it. Again, I say this in like every video since I made my decision, but I will not be renewing my Seoul Beauty just because I need to use up the products. And I do just love Ipsy so much. You get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and it is a lot of makeup, which I love because makeup instantly, you know, like, yes, I love this product, no, I don't. And skincare, you know, you have to use it for a while to know if it's working or if you like it. So I'm gonna not continue my Seoul Beauty. I do recommend the subscription though if you like need to build up your skincare collection pretty quickly. They have really good products. It's all Korean skincare. A lot of it is unscented, which kind of bothered me at first, but after actually using the products, they're really good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. You guys comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.